Presenting the ECPL 3836 Pocket E-Charge Lighted USB Charging Tool Backpack by CLC. This one-of-a-kind backpack functions as a practical tool backpack while including an integrated USB charging system powered by the provided 15,000 mAh power bank. Capable of charging 2 devices simultaneously, the backpack can safely charge your cell phone, tablet, notebook, camera, or any other USB-powered device. The 4 internal wall pockets keep devices securely stowed while they power up. The integrated 2-level 200-lumen LED light system with adjustable steel neck is powered by the power bank and helps light the contents of the backpack. Any work in low light conditions is made easy with an adjustable wide area illumination or close-up work illumination. 31 multi-use pockets inside, 5 pockets outside, 4 additional loops and measuring tape clip help organize a wide variety of hand tools. The padded webbed carrying handles and adjustable shoulder straps allow for comfortable transportation, while the base pad feet help fight against abrasion. And when the work is done, the 15,000 mAh power bank is removable and can be used as a power source anywhere you go. The power bank comes with an included USB wall charger. Power up and stay prepared with the 36 Pocket E-Charge Lighted USB Charging Tool Backpack by CLC.
As an electrician, plumber, technician, or general handyman, you can pay more money, but you can't get better quality or more features than with the Rugged Tools Worksite Tool Backpack. With maximum storage capacity and 68 places to organize your gear, you'll be ready for whatever the job takes. There are 30 internal tool pockets, 29 utility organizers, 4 zippered pockets, 2 side pockets, and an external clip and utility strap that can be used for standard or specialty tools. The main compartment is even large enough for your power tools and extension cords. The zippered panel opens wide for easy access and are secured with double heavy-duty metal zippers. Built for technology, the bag includes a padded laptop sleeve and a USB port to easily charge your phone and electronics on the go. Even loaded up, the Rugged Tools tool backpacks are comfortable to carry to and from any job site. The air mesh padded back and backpack straps are contoured to offer maximum padding and air ventilation, keeping your back cool and comfortable and your hands free. The engineered solid molded bottom keeps your bag upright and your tools within reach, even in the toughest worksite conditions. Cut from a premium load-bearing 1680 denier treated state-of-the-art material, this backpack will outlast the rest. If you or someone you know needs a world-class solution, the Rugged Tools Worksite Tool Backpack will exceed your expectations.
After 30 years as the industry leader, CLC continues our legacy of hardworking products. Let's take a closer look at the 1539 18-inch multi-compartment tool carrier. The divided compartment design of the 1539 helps you keep your tools organized. The center compartment holds power tools and accessories. The side compartments are equipped with vertical pockets, so it's easy to see your hand tools. and they zip closed to prevent tools from falling out. The adjustable shoulder strap is padded for extra comfort. Heavy-duty zippers and carrying handles. And the opening has a metal frame, so the bag stays open for easy access. Everything about this bag is heavy-duty and made to last. The best products, the best value. CLC. Think outside the toolbox.